Hello everyone. Today I am going to install Redis on Windows 11. Okay. In the Google, we need to write install Redis on Windows Git. Okay. And then you need to go this first link. Okay. So inside this, you can see .msi. So you need to click on this. So it's a installer file for Windows. Click on this and installation is start. Okay. So we only need to next just copy this file path, keep it inside this. Okay. So there is an option add the Redis installation folder to the path environment variable. Click on this. So if we are going to click on this, so we do not need to add the path manually in going to the environment variable and process next. So this is our port number. So you can write here, paste here, and next this is our maximum memory. It's 100 MB. On click on set the memory limit. So you can change this, but let it be there and click on install. So now installation is going on. So it's installing in my Windows. So now the installation is finished. And if you want to check this, and inside this PC, you need to click on properties. And inside this properties, if you want to check the environment variable is set or not. So you can see advanced system setting is there. So inside that you can see environment variable. Okay, here inside the system variable, you can see there is a path. We need to edit the setting and just go down. So you will see this C program files and Redis. So it's already added in our environment. So we only need to check this. So if this Redis is not there, so you need to only copy paste this path. Okay. So now I am going to open the CMD, and if you want to check, so you can go inside this program file also, and you can see the Redis also there. You can see Redis is installed. So you can check environment variables also in this file also. Redis has its own CLI. When we going to click on this, it's directly open the server 6379. 6379 is directly open in this CMD. Okay. So if you want to check, it's already saying that set key or name. So a key is name and value is Nitish. Okay. I hit the enter. So now okay, get key, get and key name is name. To hit this, so it will return Nitish. So it's perfectly working. Everything is working. There is one question in your mind that if I going to start the simple CMD, so it will work or not. So I'm just going to close this and open the simple CMD. So CMD, start the server, Redis hyphen server. So now you can see my Redis server is started. Okay. So you do not need to open this Redis CLI. You can run this Redis server inside simple CMD. Okay. To write Redis CLI. Everything is working. So now I'm going to set name as India. Okay. Hit the enter. So okay. And now if I am going to get name, get name, so it will return India. So everything is working in simple CMD also and this Redis CMD also. Okay. So now I think everything is okay and our Redis is running in our Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Bye.